I am Fatima. Right now I am here in Elephantastic Park in Jaipur. Elephantastic, it means elephant and fantastic elephants you can see here. So this park is launched during February 2012. They have 24 elephants over here, including 3 farms. So each elephants are personally cared with a lot of good food, and they are very healthy. Especially they are very friendly with humans. But whenever humans you come near to them, they smell and they can understand whether they are nervous or they are friendly, and they are very playful with humans.
Hi, my name is Rahul, and we are here at Elephantastic, which is a park for elephants. Right now we have 24 elephants. I started Elephantastic in 2012 February, and this place is for animal lovers only. We do not offer rides or any sort of decorative things for tourists to entertainment. You just come here to become part of elephants' normal daily life.
Elephant name is Saku. She is 38 years old, and she is very kind, and she also understands what we are speaking. So she is very friendly too. And this one is very naughty one. These two are almost 28 years old. These elephants really love painting on them. They also love, if you see them, they love jungle straight, sugarcane, banana. And they also like, they also eat chapati. Other than that, they also eat bamboo branches, alfalfa, corn leaves. So they love being playful with humans. Whenever you come here, you can shower them. You can also shower along with them. You can feed them. You can walk along with them. There are a lot of activities included. When you come to this park, you can spend whole day with the elephant.
Behind me there are few elephants right now, and they are eating. So we're gonna take part in it, and we're gonna start feeding them, because this is the way how you're gonna be friend with them, and they're gonna start trusting you. She is Shakru. Her full name is Shakuntala, but we call her Shakru. She is 28 years old. Among my all elephants, she is the most gentle and most intelligent one. And be relaxed around her. Don't be nervous. Don't be afraid at all. Not only her, any elephant in the world. They observe your body energy, your body language. So be very calm, very relaxed, comfortable, and let them smell you. Stay close to them. This is how elephants identify us, recognize us with our body smell. Eyesight of an elephant is not good. So as close as you're gonna be to them, they'll be more comfortable around you. So she is having one already. in her trunk and one is in the mouth. So I'll wait until she finish and then we'll give her new one. Meanwhile, we can keep making her comfortable and feeling good by touching her, patting her on the cheek, around the eyes, over the eyes, below the chin here. They really like it. And behind the ears on the neck.
Come here, don't get scared or anything. You just being friendly. You really love enjoy. And when you coming with your family, especially you please visit this Elephantastic Park in Jaipur. They are really maintaining very neat, and they also provide you lunch including with the ticket. The ticket price is just 4,500, which is 4,500 rupees per person. So when you come, it is very worth to visit this park, and you can enjoy complete activities here. Thank you so much.